Assembling your Nordictrack bike can be a breeze or a challenge, depending on how prepared you are. Let's dive into the essentials of putting together your new fitness companion, ensuring a smooth and safe setup. Before you start, make sure you have a buddy to help you out. This is a two-person job. Lay out all the parts in a clear area and keep the packaging until you've completed all the steps. Remember, left parts are marked with an L or left, and right parts with an R or right to help you identify them easily. First things first, register your Grand Tour bike at the Nordictrack service website. Then begin by mounting the stabilizers, attaching the water bottle holder, and assembling the seat. Make sure to start all screws before tightening them to ensure a secure fit. Next, mount the seat post and the seat assembly, ensuring that the knobs are in the adjustment holes before tightening. For the handlebar post, have a second person help you manage the wires and avoid pinching them. Once the handlebar post is in place, you can move on to mounting the handlebars and the console bracket, again being careful with the wires. Finally, attach the console, ensuring all wires are connected correctly and tucked away neatly. Mount the tablet holder, place the hand weights on their stand, and identify and mount the pedals, remembering that the left pedal screws in counterclockwise. After assembly, give your bike a thorough inspection. Make sure all parts are tightened and the bike is functioning correctly. You may have some spare parts left over. This is normal. Consider placing a mat under the bike to protect your floor. Here are 6 crucial tips for assembling your Nordictrack equipment. 1. Read all the directions before you start. 2. Assemble the machine in the room where it will be used. 3. Keep track of all parts and tools. 4. Follow all two-person assembly recommendations. 5. Be cautious of wires during assembly. 6. Don't over-tighten bolts to avoid stripping them. If all this seems daunting, you might want to consider the Nordictrack White Glove Assembly Service. With this option, professionals will set up your bike in your chosen room, hassle-free. And don't forget, our Nordictrack discount codes are still applicable, even if you opt for this premium service. Happy cycling!